Welcome to Kazakhstan.
The road is not always smooth. It turns out that we had to stay much longer in the Almaty than expected.
Things are looking different. So it's completely stormy outside. Windy and rainy, but look at how beautiful the place is. It's just like the painted mountains. And we're in Kazakhstan, and there's different food. We've got cream cheese and cheese with walnuts and fresh cheese, and we're not even sure what this is.
Cottage cheese. All the dairy products we didn't got in China.
So we're having like a really simple dinner, some fresh bread, and something in this stormy night where the truck is like rocking. What a first night spot. Just beautiful here.
And quiet.
Quiet. I won't say lonely because we liked it. Oh. Man, baby. Is just enormous.
This location is called Charyn Canyon or Charyn Canyon.
Day 888 of driving around the world. For a campsite, plenty of options.
This is the ancient burying place.
My name is Altyn. My name is Mustafa.
I am Rose.
Rose, да? Очень приятно.
Lisa. Very good. Подышев? Подышев?
Yes.
Russian little.
Cottage.
Cabbage.
Yeah. Cottage.
cartage?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Wow, yeah. Praktik? Pretty? Praktik?
Family invited Rose to their house.
Woohoo! Okay. Please stop me.
Hello.
Anna,
Welcome.
welcome.
Oh.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
Пакетный не кесем? Посуда. Посуда. Сейчас буду готовить. У нас кухня.
Ah. Okay.
Кухня.
Okay.
Садитесь.
Ah. Okay.
Pizza.
Shared the dinner with Rose and first time horse meat for her.
3.
3 children.
Да.
Yes.
Еще маленький children, еще 2 есть.
Okay.
5.
5. Mm.
Камера отсырвата.
I like.
Thank you, Mustafa. What would you say, darling? Alhamdulillah.
Still not there.
I know we're not there, but it's slightly smoother.
Yeah, it's much better.
Alhamdulillah. Oh. Time to take a little break before we do the final pass here behind us. Let's see.
That's the Assy Plateau, altitude around 3000 meters.
What for a great place, feeling like top on the world.
You were our wake-up service this morning. You like it here?
Getting a lot of visitors here, hot spotting from our Starlink. Why not? We got that as a present. If we are staying here longer here, we don't need to buy food for the next week.
Hi! Hi! Beautiful. Time to leave this beautiful place. As you can see, the track is extremely rocky, and you can see why with the rock slides, and then that's
Again, brake problems.
Maybe. What do you think, honey? It's brake fluid.
Yes, it was brake fluid.
So the road's only just reopened here a few days ago. You can see there was a landslide.
Luckily, our truck has 90% of the brake power on the front axle, so we could continue.
Rock just came down in the last damage. Absolutely massive.
We went to Mercedes-Benz, but it turns out there's a bigger problem. And maybe the root cause of all our problems with this brake.
It's our camping spot for tonight.
It's always a good sign if you see another Unimog in the workshop.
Wow. That's a different view.
They needed to find a workshop to recutting the thread.
So this
There's a big CNC machine needed.
and this fit together very loosely, not correctly.
And unfortunately, the CNC workshop was very, very busy. So we had to wait 10 days to get the part done.
Here you see our normal brake assembly. There's the actuator and there is the part of the caliper, and the line has been capped going over to here, and there's the actuator and there is the no caliper. You can see where the so you, Justin, I'm sure you would love the pit they have here. It's very, very comfortable. It's actually too deep. You need steps.
Today is the day, and hopefully the brake will be fixed. It looks like it is finished. Handbrake is working.